Well, viewers, in case you're wondering why I didn't go to work today, here's a look at the highway. 146 going north. For some reason I had the bright idea to go out and take a look at it, but this is going north up ahead. You can see the barrel in front of me. Only going about 40 miles an hour right here. Pretty bad roads going northbound and everything like that. So if you're inside, stay inside and don't do what I'm doing. But you know, gotta get that footage for y'all. So I'm out. Blizzard 2009, and it is 2:19 p.m. All right, check it later.